out there, because I know this doesn't just happen to me. I'd like everybody that catches this, please to record it, so that way they can have more than just one view of it, because that way we'll see that it's happening to all of us, or if it's just a problem with my computer.
It's a matter of trying to replicate, and if it happens randomly, it's a problem. But what's important is that we find the thing that actually causes the issue, and then unless that happens, we will not be able to fix it. Like, the programmers can fix those things, but if we don't know the exact things that cause the problem, we're not going to be able to actually fix it.
I get that all the time too, Nico. It's always with a buff going. You know, if I got a 12-hour repair and I got a repair buff going, I could come back an hour and a half later and, you know, I'm down to 10 and a half hours repair. I send another fleet out for a fighter, an NPC, or a base, or whatever. When I come back, if I cancel that repair that was going on, and I repair the other fleet, when I come back to that first repair and hit repair, it goes right back and adds, you know, whatever. It could add half hour to it, an hour to it, hour and a half to it.
Okay.
So it happens every time I got a buff go.
You basically need to have another fleet broken then, correct? It doesn't have to be
Yes.
fully broken?
No, you could just take the repair off. You know, if I've got a 12-hour repair and I let 2 hours go, and I come back and I stop that repair and then click repair again, it'll add that time right back on again. You know, it doesn't necessarily have to be another fleet. And it's been doing that for a long time to me. I mean, I couldn't tell you how long.
It's the first time I have seen this with the way that you guys described it. So I think it will be good to basically try to how to put that? Try to replicate it in a way that we can certainly tell that this is